Today, I'll share with you 2 investing mistakes I wish I knew when I was younger. Time in the market is better than timing the market. Nowadays, people are trying to predict everything while being too emotional. Meaning that when everything is going well, the investors are going to buy, and when everyone is panicking, the investors are going to panic sell. But on your side, you must develop the ability to do the opposite and to DCA when the market is giving you great opportunities. And the second mistake is that the compound effect can be your greatest ally or your biggest enemy. If you only eat junk food and do not exercise, you'll be in a far worse physical shape compared to someone that goes to the gym every single day. Well, the same applies to your finance. If you decide to invest $1,000 per month with an average annual return of 10%, in only 10 years, you're gonna have about $200,000. Follow for more.